Hello viewers, welcome to RK Keynotes. In the Python for Data Science module, in the previous session, we have seen what is data frame and we have performed a few data frame operations using Pandas library. In this video, we're going to explore few more things in data frame. If you have not subscribed yet, do subscribe my channel to get more updates and let's get into the video. In this session, we're going to perform few operations such as accessing using index and column selection, subset in data frame, and finally we're going to export our data frame into spreadsheet. You can download the dataset in this website rkkeynotes.blogspot.com, or alternatively I have given the link in the description box as well. You can download the dataset and you can perform these operations. Let's flip to Google Colab for the practical session. First, let's import Pandas library. Import Pandas SPD and run the cell. And next we need to read the CSV dataset. As I said that we're gonna use passengers dataset here. I'm gonna copy this location, and to read a dataset you need to use a variable called data frame df equal to, and we need to read with the help of Pandas library. So pd dot read underscore, this is CSV in format, so I'm going to use CSV, and we need to copy paste the location. Alright, run. Okay, so now this is fine, and to check I'm going to display few records, df dot head, so which automatically displays top 5 records. We have already seen that in part 1. Yes, so these are all our records, and to display one single column I'm gonna use data frame, and you need to specify the column name. Let's say that okay, let's display name here and run, displaying only the one column. To display column names, df dot columns, I'm gonna use. Okay, so these are the column names. The next task is subset. I'm gonna have some condition here. The condition is I just want to check who is in C85 cabin. Alright, let's do it. df, and this is called subsetting. Within the data frame I'm gonna have one more condition, like I'm gonna use cabin. Who is in C85. I'm going to run this. So this is actually subsetting, and it is going to display this message like passenger, the name and his information is there. Okay. The next task is to access index using iloc function. So far we have not used anywhere index to access the rows and columns. Over here I'm going to use iloc is basically used for indexing, which is purely based on integer location. So let's try this. I'm gonna write data frame, that is df, and iloc, and just mention, for example, if I write something like this, we already know that if you use colon in front of any number, which means that it is going to display the records until that, I mean the previous records, the records before this, so which means that 0 to 9. I'm gonna run. Alright, so it is displaying from 0 to 9. Now what if I want to display only 2 columns? So I need to mention 2, but I want all the rows, so I'll specify a colon here. So this colon, the first column refers to the row and this refers to the columns. Now let's check this. So which means that it is going to display 2 columns in all the rows in this. And you can play with this, like we can use even -3 or minus. The next task is to export data frame to Excel. For example, you have performed a lot of tasks and you have got this result. Let's say this is your result and you want this result to be in your Excel sheet. you can simply export it. How to do that? For this demo purpose, I'm going to take this as my query. So I want this result to be in my Excel sheet. I'm going to copy this and paste here, and as I said that you need to use to Excel function, and within that you need to specify what kind of file name you want. I'm going to use demo rk. This is my file name, and file extension is XLSX. That is your Excel file. And what kind of sheet name you want. So I'm going to use sheet name that is equal to write rk. Alright, so check here. If I run this one, I'll be getting this file here. So as of now there is no file called demo rk. So this is our file name, right? I'm going to run this and I'm going to refresh this. You see that the file got created, and I'm going to download this. Click here and download. Open the file so that you can see the result. So this is the record which we have got there, right? The same record. Like this, you can export any data frame into Excel sheet using toExcel function. That's all about data frames. Hope this video is helpful. Try these operations and let me know in the comment section. Thank you.